Well, you see here. What?
Nah. Shut up! Shut up! Ah, break your ankles! Ah.
Uh-oh. I think I know why we never put it in right.
Because it was never right in the first place, was it?
These are the wrong coilovers.
Yeah, I am ready to fire. I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve. I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder. Yes, I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
There's no goddamn way. There's no goddamn way. You gotta be kidding me. Who made these?
Rev 9.
How long was the warranty?
Oh.
Shit.
I don't even know where I bought them.
Rev 9? Or
I don't know.
well, I mean, this goes directly to the manufacturer, not to the person that sold you these. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we figure out our issue. It appears
I bought the wrong damn coilovers.
what we can see here is that when we try to fit it up, this one goes in, and then even if we try to mate it up as much as possible, bolt is going to be right here no matter what we try to do. Now the coilover's in the right place. Well, the pillow ball's in the correct place. However, the bolt pattern doesn't match up. Yeah, it's gonna have, it's mostly
Diagonal camber.
diagonal camber.
Yeah, I never
So-
heard that. Chris Fixit hasn't done that. That's right. Boys here at Torksteer made diagonal camber.
And we didn't even do it on purpose.
We didn't even do it on purpose. We just invented this shit. Unintentionally.
Or I mean, Rev 9 probably. But
Oh, my dick. Maybe I just didn't read it right.
maybe you
Maybe
didn't.
I just didn't check if it was the right fitment.
Possibly, but I would probably still want to talk to them about it. So for now, I'm thinking we'll just leave it until we figure out the issue. Other than that, we're going to continue with the install of everything else.
Wait. Hey, Peter! Are you going to the workshop?
Why, yes. Yes, I am. All right, there's one of them, I think. There's the
two.
second one.
Okay, let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, this is the wrong thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is just the wrong thing.
That's weird though, because they fit good.
Yeah, it did, but it's just they put the camber in the wrong place.
What can we just get the plate?
Just the plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta see if you can feasibly get one. Just by itself.
Never seen them get sold by themselves.
I mean, there's certain kits that have them where they like fit. Which one's the one that fell out?
See, I don't know. Hammer all of them.
I think it was this one. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna tighten it down until it eventually mates up properly.
You always have a problem in every video. It's like a show, isn't it? There's always a storyline, and then there's the fucking, you know. You sure it was on?
All right. Now it's officially in.
Accent short PT.
No way. Joe, let's just flip it. Joe, Peter, look. Look what I just found out.
Uh-huh.
What do you see?
So what you mean to tell me is they put it upside down the whole time?
They put it upside down.
Yeah.
Those twats. Ref 9, You gotta start firing some people. You gotta start firing some people.
And that's not even the only issue. It's the fact that these little tiny increments and stuff
That don't matter, bro.
are going to be
That
on
don't
the
matter.
underside.
Literally, these increments don't matter.
Of course
Okay?
not, because
Yeah.
eventually on the alignment
Yeah,
rack,
they
it's
have
gonna
a
show you.
computer
Yeah.
screen that'll show you exactly the alignments.
Yeah.
So,
What we need to do is we need to press these out.
yeah, we just hammer it,
Yeah.
like I did accidentally. Yo! I just foreshadowed something.
But here's the deal. I told you, hey, let's take it off so we can figure it out.
That's not what you said. Was it recording when I said take it off? Please tell me it was. I want to take this out and look at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo! Realize something. So if y'all get Rev 9 coilovers,
Make sure they're facing the right way. If
Make
they're
sure-
not, most likely they're probably upside down.
first of all, make sure that the camber adjustment is like this, horizontal to the car. If it's not, and you can't, rotate it and fit it, fucking flip it. Give me that hoe. Yo! Ref 9, we're exposing you in 4K.
Are we
Probably
gonna
1080p,
Yeah, we're probably
but-
doing this in 1080p. I mean, we can film in 4K, but like it's gonna take 5 hours to.
We already take
try.
forever to record, so
Yeah.
bullshit.
Yeah.
Hey, so after realizing that Rev 9 fucked up, we put it the way it's supposed to be, and we'll put that
Upside down.
coilover, upside down. We'll put that coilover back on, like nothing happened, and we would have fixed the camber on the passenger side. We got to do the driver's side, but since our microphones are running out of battery, I'm just gonna give y'all a little update right now. During the time that we're not gonna be recording, we're gonna attempt to take the inner tie rods out. So right now we're using a 1 1/8 chrome vanadium wrench. So you're gonna have to just come over here. Actually, I'm gonna get my flashlight.
Oh
Chuck
yeah, it's
that
right
hoe.
here. It's right here.
Chuck that hoe.
I got you.
Chuck it. No, get back. Go back.
No,
Go
no,
back.
no.
Chuck it.
Here.
Chuck it at me.
Okay, so
this is my video.
basically,
this is my video.
Basically, we're going to go right over here with the 1 1/8, and we're going to basically just take it off gently, as gently as possible. Are you biting me? Oh shit! So we're basically gonna come in with the 1 1/8 and take out the inner tie rods. Generally, you would use a specialized tool for this, but
Well, not for the EP3s.
you don't need to.
Yeah, I saw.
It's not necessary.
I quickly saw a YouTube video and they used 1 3/16, but I guess it's a different EP3. This one fit perfectly. So yeah, you just gotta loosen that. I'm gonna have to, if it comes to it, I'm gonna have to cut this little boot since the new inner tie rods come with the new boot. It really doesn't matter if we break it or not.
Yeah.
In this line of business, you can break the thing you're replacing, pretty much.
Unless the customer asks for the part.
Nah, even then. I mean,
well,
it's
here
the
you
only
go.
way- the only way you could take it out, so.
Good.
Fuck it, it's out.
Oh,
fucking
fuck
out.
it. Yeah. There you go.
Give me that shit. Give me that.
Know it?
Give me
Yeah.
that.
I'm not gonna fucking
that.
give you the satisfaction
Give
of
me
this
that.
shit. You know, fuck this
Fuck,
thing.
no.
I'm gonna spit on it.
Fuck it.
Fuck you.
Update. Them's is a bitch.
Yeah. So basically, we had to use like 2 different hammers. We went to AutoZone and rented out a tool that we didn't even need in the first place. If you are doing anything with an EP3 that has to do with the inner tie rods,
Don't buy another car.
do not get this set. Do not even rent it out. All you need is a wrench that fits. That's all you need. And some hammers and some busted knuckles.
Do you know
But-
that thing you get when you go on the monkey bars?
Yeah.
I think I got that shit. Anyway, so right now we're trying to get the passenger side inner tie rod out. That's the hardest one. Did you just see our reaction to the driver's side, which is the easiest one? Yeah, it's gonna get worse.
The quick tip, what you're gonna wanna do is turn your wheel before trying to muscle it at first. Turn your wheel all the way.
Clockwise.
Yes.
Clockwise.
Trust me, we're trying to save you guys time because nobody else seems to want to share the secret of how to actually take the tie rod off.
No one
They
deserves
just sort of
this pain.
they just sort of just jump cut So we're giving you as much info as we can, so you guys don't end up, you know, busting a knuckle or jumping a tie rod.
We're getting monkey bars, blister.
Getting blisters and shit. Yeah, so if you guys can't see that, it's next to impossible to get in.
See, the camera woman doesn't even know where to point.
Where is it?
I don't know where the wrench is.
I
Oh!
shall
All the way over
take
there.
control. See where that wrench is at? Yeah. That's the
It's not focused.
well, thanks, camera woman.
We're all pissed off. Everybody's pissed off right now.
Fucking focus in it.
Yep, there it is.
Hold on. Okay, wherever the fuck the wrench is. Yeah, fuck off. Alright, now he's gonna try to hammer it out.
Ow, fuck.
How the fuck do you hit yourself
It's this
down?
fucking bracket.
Oh, god damn it.
This fucking bracket, damn. You're not even close.
What the fuck do you mean?
You're on the rack.
Is the one I'm pointing at it?
Yes.
That's where I was.
No, you weren't. There it is. That took a lot more effort than what I'm willing to tell everybody. It's actually a very interesting looking washer.
Go on.
So this thing was pretty much rusted in the whole time. Yeah, this is some pretty cakey rust. I don't think anybody's replaced these. These are probably right from the factory. It'll move, but you're gonna need to. It's only gonna move when you need it to. This just moves whenever the fuck it wants. So if your steering is a little bit loose.
Yo, did you put that washer on the other one?
No, I didn't put the washer on yet. However, it's going to be on the top of the black box.
Wait, before you put it on, don't you want to put the outer?
You don't have to.
Well, how are we gonna know what? how
Oh
many
yeah, you're
threads?
right. You're right. Hold on. I just got to make sure I don't lose this washer. You moved up a little. It's hard to tell because this thing's fucking busted to shit.
What happened?
No, I'm just making sure it's perfect.
Got it.
I'm gonna go scream in the workshop for a little.
Hey Peter, are you gonna go to the workshop?
Yes. In fact, I am.
Yo, I think he's mad. I don't know why I got that impression, but I think he's mad. No. Is he gonna come out? What is he? Oh,
Maybe he
shh,
thought
shh,
so.
shh, don't say anything, don't say anything.
Oh, hi guys. Hopefully this one works.
Look at the fucking bolt, Isaac. Shut up. Fucking bolt. I'm doing it. It's metal on metal contact. No metal on brake line. It's metal on fucking metal.
You know your neighbors are trying to fall asleep. Shut up and let's do it my way. This is my video. Where the fuck's the 12 mil?
Joe, the fucking wire's going up my ass.
Something's in my ass.
God damn it, I'm tiny. Where the fuck's the hammer? Peter, hand me the hammer.
When the cameras
well,
were
while I
off.
got you here,
Well,
it doesn't
why I
even
got you
matter
here?
if the brake line's
What the
here.
fuck do you
It
mean?
doesn't even
It
fucking
doesn't
matter.
fucking matter.
It's metal on
You
metal
wanna
contact.
fucking-
Viewers, do you see this? It is metal on metal contact. Metal on metal contact.
What the fuck did I
minutes to take it off then. Huh? Explain to me that.
Okay, try to take it off now.
Bimbo.
Take it off.
I will.
Yeah,
That's what I'm doing.
Do
That's
it.
what I'm
Do it.
doing.
You won't. Do it.
That's what I'm
Do
doing.
it. I bet you won't. I bet you won't.
Shut up.
I bet your bitch ass won't.
I bet my bitch ass
Exactly. Exactly.
Bet my bitch ass
Wow, my name's Isaac
bet my
Garcia.
bitch
I
ass
worked for
won't.
Honda for a little bit. I drive a Honda Civic SI.
You know what the fuck I did? You know what the fuck I did? Where's the fucking 19? Give me the 19 right now.
Oh yeah,
Give me
here it is.
give me that shit. Give me that shit. You know what I fucking did? You know what I fucking did?
Strip it.
You know what I fucking did?
Get your hat out the way.
You know what I fucking did? Give it a little love tap. That's all you need. That's all you need, Peter. I'm not stripping shit.
All right, so since Isaac's a little bit busy, we finally were able to get the tie rods on and we were able to adjust the coilovers so we would be able to run camber on it. However, I'm probably gonna have to retighten these bolts right here because it did take a little bit of convincing for me to actually put the tie rod ends in. But overall, the camber should be fine for now until eventually we work our way into doing more corner balancing and more performance-oriented things to do with the alignment. Overall, this wasn't too bad. The only real things that really messed with us were probably getting the inner tie rods out. The inner tie rods were probably the biggest thing that really messed with us this whole build, as you guys can see in the previous footage. We aren't entirely done yet. We still have to do the rear camber. I don't know if we're going to be putting this into a part series or if we're going to be doing this all in one episode, but honestly, that's not really the thing that I'm worried about right now. I'm just worried about getting this done so it's drivable for now. However, I do know for a fact that it's way too late for us to do these now, and we're just gonna have to come and attack this at a better time. Overall, this wasn't too bad. Everything else was just smooth sailing after that. I was expecting a lot more issues, to be honest, but overall, it's not too bad.
This might be the first thing on the Civic that's 100%.
Every other thing that I think we've installed on this car has been installed wrong, to be honest, including the coilovers, because we didn't know better with the coilovers.
That's not our fault.
Yeah, we didn't know any better, and I would blame it on the manufacturer here.
Unless they weren't like for my fitment.
Unless it was
either
for
way we fixed
adjusting toe or something.
Either way, yeah.
I mean, overall, it's just. This is actually the first time when we've 100% completed something and actually felt confident in our work. Even though we had to rent out tools that we didn't need, at least we still had them in case we did. These should be a lot easier because all we have to do is just stick them in and just put the bolts in. It's not that hard to do. I would also like to add that now the coilovers are 100%. Now the coilovers are fully adjusted, or well, they're fully adjustable to where they need to be. So, I mean, that's all I really have to add to this. There's nothing else really here besides doing the rear camber. Anything you want to add?
Wubba lubba dub dub.
Wubba lubba dub dub.
Ah, shit! Ah, fuck you! Fuck! Ah, shit! Whoa!